Hi, this is a screencast for milestone 2. So the first thing we're going to demonstrate is the app that we're using for this milestone. So it is a simple node app which just validates form inputs. So whatever input I'm going to put in, it's going to validate that and report if it's a success or a failure. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the details. So first time I try to generate an error by inputting incorrect passwords. So I got an error saying that the passwords do not match. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in the right credentials again. So everything was fine, and therefore we got a success message. So I'll quickly walk you through the code of this app.js file. So over here we have the code, and as you can see, we have functions such as check string length, check special characters, and also functions like to validate password and all. So our app and testing and coverage is all working on these functions primarily, and this is what we've used for completing the milestone 2. So first, since we do not know, since we're gonna just look at uh, pre-commit hook first, we're gonna cover the security token gate. So what I'm trying to do is first let's just show you that there is some secret key available in this case. So as we can see, we have some keys over here, and so we have a pre-commit hook which is going to look for such keys and then report a failure of commit. So since we have this code, we'll quickly go and try to commit. So as we can see, there is some error that is being thrown at us, which says that there's a possible credential found at so and so line in so and so file. So it also shows that which line could be the possible candidate for a credential. So like you can see, it's line 13 and line 30 respectively. So line 13 is this key, and line 30 is this. So this key was just generated like just by random typing, and it is actually of no consequence. I'm just gonna go and delete this key. And again, this is also a so this is a secret key for encryption of your session. So there's no session being used at this point of the time. So I'm just gonna go and delete this code. Because commenting it wouldn't work, because commenting would still spot it and then report it. So here's the code, and now I'm gonna try to add again. Okay. All right. So we just committed the changes, and now the commit went through because the keys were deleted and there were no other keys that could cause any problems. So I'm just gonna go and push this code. So we push the code right now, and let's see what happens in Jenkins. So uh, this is the build job which is gonna happen. We try to look at the console output. So it's installing all the dependencies. So this was covering the secret security token gate aspect of the milestone. So like you can see, like the build finished could succeed, and then there were no errors or problems. So this is part one, and in the next part we're going to look at the testing and the coverage part of it.